When it comes to selling your home, you deserve nothing but the best. You want an agent that is dedicated to internet marketing, social media, and knows how to produce quality videos.
Welcome to our new listing located at 42612 West Blue Suede Shoes Lane, located in the award-winning Active Adult Community Province. My name is Jill Damas, and I'm delighted to give you a tour of this beautiful lakefront home.
92% of all home buyers today are going to the internet to find their next home. Having quality photos, a solid internet strategy, including a great social media strategy that gets thousands of people seeing your home that have never seen your home before. That's what you deserve. Pick up the phone today. Call Jill. You'll find an agent that is focused on you and your needs.